guys, I'm Susan and welcome to my channel. Today I want to introduce some snapper jewelries available in our website. And we have that kind of bracelets, necklace, and earring, rings. We have that kind of surprise. We are supplying our website. So what is interchangeable snap jewelries? And if you haven't started with such kind of collection of snap jewelry, and you can look at our products, and that will convince you that you should have in your jewelry box. So let's see first what I will show you today. Okay, first we say there have the snap jewelry. And this is PU leather bracelets jewelry and fits for 18mm, 20mm snapper buttons. And there's all 18mm snap button, and we can use for this in the leathers. And this kind of the leather is about 24mm width and 18mm thickness. The bracelets also can adjust to size 7 to 9 inch. So you can choose, and the bracelet have 3 snap opening to edit your interchangeable charms. Okay, and if you need to choose other color, you also can contact with us. This very easy put snap on and off base the leather bracelets. So now I already put wear this bracelets, and now we choose the snap buttons and choose this one. Okay. So what is the ginger snapper jewelries? And ginger snap jewelries are found new type of interchangeable jewelry. It starts with stylish bracelets for women as well as necklace, rings, and accessories. A snapper that you can snap in and out, giving you ability to change the things up to fit your mood or match your outfits. So it's about individualities. So if you don't want, you can change our snappers. Simply pry them out of the rings. Okay, and snap rare earrings, a necklace, and very beautiful things. Okay, and this pure leather bracelet, snap bracelet, only need $1.1. And this snap button, this really need $0.49. This only need $13 and $14. Okay. If you like, you can contact with us, and we have more designs on our websites, and we can supply for you.